Welcome to Fire NOC template video tutorial. Building usage type. The Fire NOC system helps in obtaining the Fire No Object certificate digitally in an easy, smooth and transparent manner. It eliminates the current manual process by automating and streamlining it, thus provide a better citizen service experience. In this video, we will start with the data collection and template filling process for building usage type masters. As we can see on the screen, there are 5 columns: serial number, building usage type code, building usage type, building group as per NBC, building usage type as per NBC. Building usage type code. The data type should be alphanumeric. The code given to the building usage type by the fire station example BU01 is for residential, BU02 for educational, BU03 for institutional, etc. Building usage type. The data type should be in text. Name of the building usage type by the fire station example residential, educational, institutional, assembly, etc. Building group as per NBC. The data type should be in text. The code given to the building usage type as per NBC example group A, group B, group C, group D. Building usage type as per NBC. The data type should be in text. Name of the building usage type as per NBC example residential, educational, institutional, assembly, etc. Identify all the building usage type before filling it into the templates. After filling the data into the template, use the checklist to ensure that the data filled is perfect by going through each and every checklist entity and comparing the data. I hope this video may help you to understand the provided template and how to fill the data accordingly. Thank you.